Welcome to my channel Divination 777. So I'm going to do a general energy read right now. So keep in mind since it's general, so it won't resonate with everyone. And thank you so much for all the support and the love you guys give me, like in any way, whether it's through donations, whether it's sharing the video, your comments. I mean, whatever just helps this channel grow. You and I are like just growing together. You guys are my soul tribe. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment. So let's just start with your reading. So let's see what's going on. Angels and spirit guides, let's see what's going on. Oh wow, so that's just beautiful energy right here. We have the Empress. So like you are it doesn't matter whether you're male or female. We do not read gender in tarot. So you are in this Empress energy, and it takes a lot. It takes a lot to become an Empress. You get betrayed, you get backstabbed, you then heal yourself, and you go through your shadow work, you do your inner work, and then you just rise and climb and reach the throne. And then you boss up, like you are in full boss mode. And you have a very healing energy. So you have a very healing energy. You could be a health worker, a spiritual healer, a light worker, or just in general you have a very healing energy, and you're pouring your light and love into the world, which is so beautiful. You're just bringing peace. You bring peace to other people. You bring light. You shine your light to just like people around you. And like your presence is so beautiful, it is so powerful, and it's just so beautiful. Your energy is like so beautiful. You guys are just so beautiful, pure souls. Let's see what's going on. Angels and spirit guides, what's going on? Okay, so we have so there has been a tower moment. So like things, somebody, it could be a friend, a work colleague, or a past person, like it could be anyone. So things just crumble down. See, like just that whole tower is burning. Like it could be a family member, relative, whoever. So whoever backstabbed you or betrayed you, so it's coming down. Karma is hitting them. They are being burned to the ground. And which is like really amazing. And the person who like backstabbed you, betrayed you, they are like in this very angry energy, sad, angry, lot of mixed emotions, sad, angry, regret, like what did I do, just why I just lost it. I just see how they're looking at the like at the tower, at the place, and they're like, my god, it's done, it's over, it's destroyed, it's gone. Like what should I do now? So like this person is on their knees, they're getting their karma. And all the phases of moon, all the eclipses, all full moons, new moons, all the eclipses that have caused this change, that have brought this tower moment, that has brought this karma, and has healed you as well. So like these eclipses were in your favor, and it was yeah, see, so now it's like you are aware about this, like this person is on their knees and you're like, oh, what the hell, like this person, you are seeing this person on his knees and you're like, okay, just stop being dramatic, and stop putting up an innocent face. I know who you are, so this face, this is not going to work on me anymore. You can't fool me again. So I know. So you're like, what the hell, I know who you are, so just stop putting on this face. So this innocent naive play wouldn't work on me anymore. So that is what is happening. So oops, we have an angel here. Yeah, again trying to just this person just trying to play coy, like just trying to play the victim. Oh, I'm so victimized, and like, save me please, I'm in a problem, just putting up illusions, just anyhow trying to just put just put water, just oh, okay, now I'm like just choking up. I'm not able to express these, like this person has expression issues also, they can't communicate, like they want to just put out this fire, like somehow they try to put out the fire but they can't. It's karma, you can't just um, you know just put out karma. That's not it, that's not how it happens. You can't run away from karma once it starts hitting you. Oh, I'm not able to speak properly. That's how this person is. That's how this person is like feeling right now. Like, oh my god, I'm losing everything. And you are victorious. You have triumphed over this toxic situation. You are victorious and you are ascending spiritually as well. So like you are climbing, this is the divine and this is you, so you are just climbing up, you are ascending spiritually also. It's just so beautiful. And we have the sword of truth. So this is Archangel Michael's sword, the sword of truth. So something like everything has been revealed, whatever this person was doing. So they got caught and karma is like hitting them. Yeah, and they feel like a fool and they don't know what to do. They feel like a fool, like, oh my god, how could I be so careless? Duh, you weren't careless, it's just karma hit you and you got caught. So let's see, anything else you have to say for the person watching? So yeah, this person so this person was giving to a lot of people. You see how many like animals are there, like so many mice. So they were just just splurging the love, the money, whatever you gave. So they were just splurging it around and giving to other people. So yeah, so they might have got caught for some money laundering or third party situations, cheating. So it just take it however it resonates. So this karmic person, they got caught red handed, like doing just bad stuff, stupid stuff they were doing, which caused a tower moment and ended the situation. And now we have the this could be a very we have this lovers card, emperor and empress. This could be you could be a divine feminine or a divine masculine. Take it however it resonates. It feels like a twin flame journey to me. So this could be a twin flame journey or a higher soulmate, your divine counterpart. So this is like a reunion card. So basically this was a toxic situation. You got out of a karmic situation. The karmic situation is over and it's time for reconciliation with the right person, with your right one. So reconciliation is like so like you guys are destined to be together. So the empress, she had the divine feminine had already completed her lessons and spiritually ascended. The emperor needed, the divine masculine needed to learn their lessons. They have learned their lessons and with through this karmic situation, and they have spiritually ascended. Now both of you are vibrating like in the same frequency and you are in alignment. So now it's time for your divine union. You guys are going to have a union very soon, and it is going to be permanent, it's going to be long term, it's going to be beautiful. The challenge here is whoever walked away from this connection is fearful because they feel like they did wrong to the divine feminines. So how is it going to happen? So yeah, this any cross watcher or the person who walked away, don't let get fear in the way of such a beautiful connection. If you just go and apologize and set things right, things will work out for you because you guys are destined to be together. I'm not talking about the karmic situation that ended, I'm talking about the person who you walked away from. So that person and you guys are meant to be together. So it's destiny. So now you both are in alignment, you both have learned your lessons, and both of you have have eradicated your karma. Both of you had toxic people, toxic situations that you needed to put an end to. So both of you have done that. So now nobody can just mess up your life. So it was divine order, it was meant to this is divinely orchestrated, this was supposed to happen this way. Yeah, see, you feel like this is for the person. I'm getting person walked away, this like person is like, I have caused, like, so how am I going to explain this chaos to my person, the person I want to be with? So just go ahead, just explain what happened, just explain what happened and things will be fine. It's better to talk, to communicate, because otherwise you will be in regret. Like regret is like a horrible emotion, worse emotion. It's like worse than fear, because if out of fear you don't, because of fear, if you don't move ahead, you don't move forward, you will end up losing this. You will not end up losing this, you will just delay it, because since it's destiny, so you guys are meant to be together. But why delay it when it's in your hands now? So you know your destination, it's up to you whether you take the long road or the short road. So yeah, we have this initiate, we have the initiation card. So for the person watching, if you were the one who walked away from this beautiful connection, your past connection, if you chose, like if you were the one who chose the wrong person, initiate the conversation, initiate and discuss and sort out things with your person, and apologize, and just talk, and things will work out, and it will be beautiful. You will have a very beautiful, abundant, blessed, long-term commitment life. So it's beautiful, but you need to initiate. This connection will come together, it will come together again. Reconciliation will happen only if you initiate the conversation, if you reach out to that person. Because obviously the person who was left out in the cold, who was ghosted, who was abandoned, will not reach out to you, will not talk, like initiate. So the person who left, the person who walked out and chose another person, that person obviously has to apologize and communicate first, has to initiate first. So you initiate and things will fall back into a place. So are there any messages that you have, Divine? Yeah, so this was the play of light and dark over here. Since this is a divine connection, so this toxic situation, this is not for all of you, but for some of you there was a play of dark magic spells to keep this divine connection stuck, to keep you both separated, and just stagnation. Like it could be like some dark mind spells that kept you overthinking. Could be on both of you, just the person who walked away and the person who was left out in the cold. You both could be in your heads, and your emotions could be like really angry, lot of negative emotions just enhancing and coming out of nowhere. So, and you couldn't stop. So there was some play of dark magic spells being done to stop this beautiful connection, to stop the reconciliation. But divine just stepped in and interfered and put an end, just revealed the whole truth, and caused a tower moment, and this made this situation, took over this situation, and just like put an end to this darkness. So let's see what we have, the guidances we have, angels and spirit guides. Oops, the cards are flying. So yeah, so both of you have spiritually ascended. We have the Lady Venus here. So a lot of you could be getting downloads from the divine, like through visions or through numbers like 1111, or just angel numbers 222, 333, very strong spiritual numbers. So you could have been seeing angel numbers, or signs on the billboards, or you could be getting messages through music, or you could be communicating with your other part through your mind, telepathy. You could be dreaming of each other or getting visions. So like deep insights, like this is divine, is just just grilling you just to go ahead and just fix this, just fix the connection. So so divine is making both of you understand the higher perspective of, and just showing you what truly, how this connection is, how divine this connection is. And we have Mercury, open communication. So that, like I said, we had the initiation card over here. So like I said, you guys are not talking to each other, you are like total cut off. So you need to open the communication. The person who walked away, you need to open the communication. You guys need to speak with love, and this is your other half. This is your other half is also just like you, is also a very pure soul, very soft, very understanding. Just talk about what happened, just talk, just open the communication, just talk. And get the weight off your chest, like this toxic situation or whatever is hurting you. Get that weight off and just speak up with love. Just speak up with love and just fix this connection. Just fix it. It's just so beautiful. Just fix it. Let's see what messages do we have from the universe. Oops. We have to, like I said, karma is on your side, and it's time to make a demonstration. So again, initiation, like even from this deck, initiate, just talk, just fix it, go for it. Karma is on your side, luck is on your side. It's time that you guys come together. It's time for your reunion. Forgive yourself. Forgive yourself for letting someone else do the hurt you. For the person who was left out in the cold, forgive yourself for letting the other person hurt you. And the person who walked away, forgive yourself for hurting hurting your soulmate, your divine counterpart. So you guys have to forgive yourself, and the person who was left out in the cold, forgive yourself and forgive your person. So forgiveness is needed, and you are being watched by loving eyes. Just smile, just talk to each other, and you guys have so much love. Just don't let pride and ego get in the way, or embarrassment or guilt get in the way of this beautiful connection. Just communicate. Communication is the key. There is just so much love between you guys. See? Okay, that's too many cards. You are adored. You are adored. You both adore each other so much. Just communicate, just start talking again, just go, and just and it will just happen. You will be surprised. Of love in spite of it all. Even though whatever happened, this is just a divine connection. Even though you for the person who was left out in the cold and the person who walked away, both of you still love each other. Both of you still have love for each other. No, even after this messy, chaotic situation that has happened, it has come to an end now, but you guys still have love for each other, because you are a divine pair. You guys are match made in heaven. You are a divine pair. So love will always be there. You both love each other unconditionally. So just go ahead and just reconcile with your person. So it's just, so this is the reading. This is just so beautiful. And the angel has got your back. Universe has got your back. And it's just, this is such a beautiful reading, and I'm so happy. It's just so energetic and so beautiful. I'm just feeling these high vibes, this loving vibes. I just love. So yeah, thank you. If this resonated with you, please comment down below, like the videos. It helps my videos to get out to other people who need to hear this. And what else? Yeah, sorry, I'm just so high vibing and just fumbling because of this energy. Okay, so if you want more personalized readings, I offer that. You can email me, you can DM me on my Instagram. You can follow me on my Instagram. I put my daily guidances over there. All the details will be given down below in the description box. So that's it. Thank you so much. Love and light to all of you.